A hyper-realistic, majestic wide-angle photograph taken at sunrise, depicting the ancient rock-cut Kailasa temple in Ellora, India, under construction. A massive, metallic, dark chrome, silent UFO.
Flying saucer!
Floats directly above the excavation site. The UFO emits a focused, pulsating beam of intense violet-blue energy, meticulously carving the intricate details of the temple.
Elephants, pillars, deity!
Directly into the basalt mountain face with mathematical precision. Where the beam touches the rock, the solid basalt is instantly sublimating into a swirling, incandescent cloud of glowing orange-gold silicate gas and plasma, which rises into the upper atmosphere and disperses like the exhaust of a rocket, explaining the lack of physical debris. Mathematical formulas and geometric Sanskrit runes glow faintly around the energy beam, guiding the precise carving. In the foreground, small groups of ancient Indian people in traditional attire watch from a safe distance with awe, not fear. The surrounding landscape is clean, with no construction tools, scaffolding or rock piles. The temple itself emerges from the mountain with perfectly smooth, polished surfaces and intricate details appearing as if shaped by divine geometry. The sky is a blend of dawn colors,
Gold, purple, blue.
casting long shadows.